Welcome to Education Without Borders. In this lesson, we want to learn how do you discover new places to get away for mental health. So we are way off Leguru Road in a place called Zenkiti Gardens House. And it is in Red Hill where you can see very beautiful views. I want to take you through beautiful views. And the idea is to wind down. Only 2 hours in the afternoon, and it makes a lot of difference. As you can see, the sight is breathtaking. It's very important for the mind. We are very busy people, working 5 days a week, and it comes to a time when you need to also wind down. One of the ways is to get to a place like this, where there are trees, there are woods, and you are able to rejuvenize your mind. There's nothing as good as coming to a place very green, full of trees, so that your mind is able to revive and you are able to go about the next week full of energy. Again, this is Education Without Borders. You may not have the energy to run around. Your age may not allow you, but you can still come to a place where there is vegetation, there is nature, and it can help you also to have the same effect with the people who even go out, spend a lot of money going out. We are exploring new ways of reviving our minds so that we have healthy minds. These days, there are a lot of issues of mental health. One way is to get out, as we have done. We are in Serenity House off Red Hill Road in Kiambu County, Kenya. Once again, this is Education Without Borders. Follow me as I show you the beautiful views which help to revitalize the mind. Keep watching and we shall be back. Education Without Borders. Keep watching again. Hey, camera is down.
You know, you maybe only in the old days.
Hey.
No got technology, they take advance.
Hey, wait, so you, you can see the waterfall. Yeah, very beautiful. Very beautiful scenery. Yeah. Thank you.
Look at the person for you, in a voice.
You just stop pushing. Just leave it. Just leave it. And you don't jump. Then you touch a bit. To reduce the. That's it.
Ena higura. Oka. Oka na haha weri. That is getting. I find how you do.
All right.